Hey everyone, in this video I'll share the top Stremio Addons for 4000 streaming with no buffering. These are the add-ons that consistently deliver the best quality streams so you can enjoy crystal clear picture without any interruptions. If you find this guide useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Let's jump right in. 1. Torrentio. Torrentio is the #1 add-on for 4K streaming on Stremio, and it's not even close. It pulls streams from multiple torrent sources and gives you clear quality labels, so you can easily filter for 4K, HDR, and Dolby Vision content. Links are updated regularly, and the sources it finds are consistently fast and reliable. If you want true 4K with minimal buffering, Torrentio is where you start. 2. Comet. Comet is a torrent-based add-on that excels at finding high-quality streams quickly and efficiently. It prioritizes clean, fast sources and does a great job of weeding out the slow or low bitrate links that cause buffering. For 4K content specifically, it regularly surfaces excellent encodes with full HDR support, a strong companion to Torrentio and well worth having installed at the same time. 3. Debrid Media Manager. Debrid Media Manager takes your 4K streaming to the next level by integrating with premium Debrid services like Real Debrid and Debrid. These services cache torrents on high-speed servers, meaning you get 4000 streams delivered at full speed without any of the usual buffering issues. Once set up, the difference in streaming quality is immediately noticeable. If you are serious about buffer-free 4K, pairing this add-on with a Debrid service is the way to go. For Stremio Jacket Addon, the Jacket add-on connects Stremio to a wide range of torrent indexers, significantly expanding the pool of 4000 sources available to you. More sources means more options, and more options means a better chance of finding a fast, high-quality stream for whatever you want to watch. It takes a little time to configure, but the results speak for themselves. A powerful tool for anyone who wants the widest possible selection of 4K content. 5. Streaming Catalogs. Streaming Catalogs is a clean and well-maintained add-on that aggregates content from multiple platforms and makes it easy to browse 4K available titles in one place. It helps you quickly identify which movies and shows have 4K versions available before you start searching for a stream. The catalog is regularly updated and covers a broad range of genres, a great organizational tool that pairs well with the streaming add-ons on this list. 6. TMDB Addon. The TMDB add-in pulls in rich metadata from the movie database, including quality information, ratings, and detailed descriptions for movies and TV shows. Knowing the available quality of a title up front saves you time and helps you make better streaming choices. It integrates smoothly with Stremio and keeps your library looking clean and well-organized. A subtle but genuinely useful add-on for anyone focused on quality viewing. 7. Open Subtitles. Open Subtitles rounds out the list because great 4K picture deserves equally great subtitles. It connects to a huge subtitle library and uses video hash technology to sync captions perfectly with your stream, even on 4K encodes that other subtitle add-ons struggle to match. It comes pre-installed in Stremio, so there is nothing extra to set up. The finishing touch for a complete, high-quality 4K viewing experience. That wraps up the top Stremio add-ons for 4000 streaming with no buffering. Combine a few of these together and you will have one of the smoothest, sharpest streaming setups possible.